What's going on, you guys? This is Madman. I'm coming back to you again, and this is from 4 New York News. I will link the description of the article in the description as always. And wow, we're gonna get into this. It says Walmart said she shoplifted. Jury awards her $2.1 million. The suit contends Walmart engages in a pattern and practice of falsely accusing customers of shoplifting in order to collect restitution in states where laws allow it. All right. It says an Alabama woman who said she was falsely arrested for shoplifting at a Walmart and then threatened by the company after her case was dismissed has been awarded $2.1 million in damages. A Mobile County jury on Monday ruled in the favor of Lalisha. I apologize if I mispronounced the name. A nurse of Simmons news outlet reported. All right. Nurse said in the lawsuit that she was stopped in November of 2016 when trying to leave a Walmart with groceries she said she had already paid for, according to AL.com. She said she used self-checkout, but the scanner device froze and an employee assisted her. Workers didn't accept her explanation and she was later arrested on warrants for shoplifting, according to the New York Times. Walmart refused to show her video surveillance footage of the alleged theft. Her case was dismissed a year later, but then she received letters from a Florida law firm threatening a civil suit if she did not pay the $200 as a settlement. According to her lawsuit, that was more than the cost of the groceries she was accused of stealing. The nurse said Walmart instructed the law firm to send the letters and that she wasn't the only one receiving them. The defendants have engaged in a pattern and practice of falsely accusing innocent Alabama citizens of shoplifting and then attempting to collect money from the innocently accused, the suit contended. WKRG reported that the trial featured testimony that the Walmart and other major retailers routinely use such settlements in states where laws allow it, and that Walmart made hundreds of millions of dollars this way in the last 2-year period. Walmart also allegedly set a collection goal of $6 million in 2016 for one of its go-to firms, according to the New York Times, which noted that in many states, retailers did not have to return the money that they collected if the cases are ultimately dismissed or the people are cleared. While laws that allow retailers to push for restitution even when people have not been convicted or of any wrongdoings were established, so companies could pursue shoplifters without clogging up the courts. Retailers are still moving on both fronts, pressing criminal charges and demanding that they pay up before the cases are resolved. Walmart funds its asset protection department by intimidating those falsely accused of shoplifting out of making a claim against Walmart out of fear of protected litigation against an almost limitless funded corporation giant, the suit argues. Defense attorneys for Walmart said that the practice is legal in Alabama. A spokesperson told AL.com that the company will be filing motions in this case because it does not believe the verdict is supported by the evidence and the damages awarded exceed what is allowed by law. The the Associated Press / NBC. Man, like, oh man. Well, first and foremost, wasn't that what they was trying to do to the young lady, the lady that was a nurse? First of all, to accuse anyone, I'm not sure if it works in any other state, but to accuse anyone, the burden of proof falls on you. I do know that much. I am not by any means a lawyer, never practiced law, never, dabbled in it, but I have read the Black's Law Dictionary, and if you have not been privileged to, you can go on Amazon and buy that for relatively cheap. Or you can go on YouTube and actually look up the Black's Law Dictionary, and it will give you a basic summary. It is the book that is used by countless of practicing lawyers, legal aides, so on and so forth. So if you want to know your rights, get the Black's Law Dictionary, okay? All right? Screw the 48 laws of power. Black Laws Dictionary is where it's at. All right. But anyway, it's just crazy that they are able to sue a person for damages when the court has legally rendered a judgment that they were not convicted or guilty of the crimes that they are being accused of. Wouldn't that fall under double jeopardy or something like that? This seems like it's like a loophole in the law itself. Again, I'm not from Alabama. I don't know the laws down there, but it just seems very, double jeopardy to me. Like, or was that only in murder? I'm not sure. Somebody that's a lawyer, please help me out, because I'm like really confused right now. The fact that they're going to file a motion because they said the judgment is high is basically the same thing that they tried to pull on her when they tried to go underhandedly and say, well, we're going to file litigation against you because the groceries that wasn't even $200 was, more exceeded the price of the actual groceries that she bought. And I'm glad that she got this judgment. You should not do that. It's hard enough out here anyway, especially for people that work in the healthcare field, just people in general. It is very hard. You have to nowadays save every penny that you got. You have to count every coin. And it's just crazy that people would do that, but oddly and strangely, it's not uncommon. I know I've been in a couple of stores where you was literally followed around the store, or they come to you under the guise of, oh, and like, let me help you, and stuff like that. Like, I know it. I know full well about the tricks of the retail and things like that. Or what they do, and 9 times out of 10, the people that they are actually looking at for stealing is not the people that's doing it. Like, literally, I have been in stores and watched someone be accused of stealing and even spoke up for this person, for a couple of people in the past, and the whole time I'm watching this other person stealing while they're accusing someone else of stealing. Like, literally, I saw someone, like, they were accusing this man. He was returning the TV, and this is the funniest irony of it. He was returning the TV, and the security guard accused him of stealing it. And he had just came in the store, like, put it on a little lip thing, and just brought it in with the receipt. And the whole time that's going on, white couple, and I'm not saying that to point out race or anything, but however, this white couple, this man and this woman, proceeded to take the same lift thing, the same rolly thing that the man had taken the thing off of, because he had actually gotten to the counter and was going through the process. But the security guard, for some reason, thought that this man was stealing it. And he was like, stealing it? No, I'm returning it. What are you talking about? But anyway, they took the same thing that was sitting there, because obviously he no longer needed it because he had gotten the TV to the counter, customer service. And they put another TV on there and literally just walked out the store. And nobody stopped these people. I've witnessed that with my own eyes. So I just, I'm just saying, bro, like, if you're going to do that, you should keep your eyes on everybody. You know, just don't go off of based off of purely what a person looks like or what you assume about a person. Be vigilant to each and every customer that walks in there, you know, because to be honest, each and every customer has the potential. Not saying that people do when they go to these stores with the mindset to actually steal anything, but however, just to be vigilant and not focus on one person or one group or one anything like that. But with that being said, I would like to know how y'all feel about it. If y'all had any experiences where you were falsely accused, thank goodness they don't have this in Maryland, that dumbass law. You know, let me know. Jump down in the comment section. If you are, you know, want to give your legal advice and experiences and how to combat this or whatever, please jump down. Whether you be lawyer, legal aid, paralegal, whatever, you know, jump down. Let's get the conversation going. And with that being said, you guys, I will talk to you in the next video.